Look, it's flapping
His
right
beak just
there.
popped out the side again.
He looks like
Oh!
Hi guys, Tion here, and today I'm back with my HATCHIMALS egg. But if you don't know what HATCHIMALS are, they are interactive, magical creatures that hatch out of eggs with your help. And today I'm hoping that my HATCHIMALS egg will hatch. And thank you, Spin Master, for sending me it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we're on our way to go to McDonald's to get a bite to eat. So we're bringing the HATCHIMALS egg.
And you're hoping that it's going to be hatching today, Tiana, then, this egg, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. And I've just seen the eyes there. Was the blue?
Yeah. Ooh. Come on. Eyes.
Turn it upside down. Oh!
Okay.
So you've been looking after this egg, haven't you? So you'd have to keep nurturing it and looking after it. Then hopefully you'll see what's inside.
Yes, I'm super excited.
Okay.
Woo.
It was coughing.
Yeah, it's just coughing.
Sounds poorly.
Yeah. Aww.
Oh, he likes that. Oh, she likes that. We don't know yet, do we? So whatever comes out from inside.
Yeah, we don't know yet. Excited.
Is he giggling?
Let's try put it
Oh, he
upside
likes. He likes. Was that a chew? A chew? Like, bless you.
I think so.
Sneezing?
I think it's poorly.
Yeah, it's poorly.
Sounds like it's shivering.
Oh, you've got blue eyes.
Doesn't that mean it's bored?
Yeah, that means it's bored, Tiana. So now it's got red eyes.
But we have to put it on the head. Yeah. HATCHIMALS, the eyes are orange. Eyes are orange, Mum.
Wow, he needs to burp, Tiana. Tilt him forward.
Oh, I just had a tap back.
He's there. He's tapping back to you. Oh.
It was just playing music, Mum.
Wow.
Wow, I've not heard them doing that before. Have you?
No. Hey. Tiana's back in their place.
Oh no, it's going to sleep. Music.
Yay.
We're at McDonald's. Yay. Yes. I think I have a few chips with me as well. So open my McDonald's. Ooh. Oh, is this a book? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, got a book. So that's like the toy, but you don't always get books. You can also get like toys as well. So there's the book. Oh, HATCHIMALS is going to sleep.
Oh, he's not now.
And then I got my nuggets and then my chips. And Mum's got my drink.
Super duper. Ooh.
Okay, let's get started.
I'll let you do your spelling, Tiana.
Okay.
Oh!
Huh? Is it hatching? It's
Tiana, let's go upstairs onto the table. Let's go.
Come on, come on. Wow, that crack is big. Whoa.
Turn it around, Tiana, so you can see the other side.
Whoa. It like shakes when it hatches a little bit.
What about if you keep it in your hands? I think it works better if you hold it in your hands while it's hatching.
Oh, let's turn it around here. We've got a nest as well. Nest. I think it suits this nest actually. Wow, I definitely think that crack's quite big. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm so excited.
Hold. There we go.
Ooh. I think the back's got a really big crack. Oh, it just cracked at the back.
I'm trying to see a crack, okay, where the eyes are.
Ooh.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I just see one pop at the side.
Look at the side. I just seen it go back in again.
Whoa.
Where was that crack? Was that at the front there? Oh. Oh, that was just there.
Oh, right at the front, a big crack. Oh.
I can see the lights inside.
Let's have a look. That's the eyes then.
Oh, it just popped on my finger. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. I can see all sorts in that crack. See all sorts. I think it's going to be very colourful when it comes out.
Yeah. Look. Ooh.
This is so.
Ooh.
Oh. I just seen pink and yellow.
See the pink? Oh, that was a great shot there. They're like a beak pop through.
What? Maybe I can touch it and might. That is so furry. I can touch it. I can feel it. Oh, that is really furry.
Oh.
Can you guys see in that crack? Can you see it?
Yeah, I think we'll be able to see.
Look, it's flapping
His
right
beak just
there.
popped out the side again.
He looks like it's...
Oh!
I think it's really cute already. I can tell. I think it's going to be really colourful.
Oh, wow.
Oh! I've seen that one. Wow! Guys, it's nearly out now! I can't wait! I can't wait! Ooh! Wow! Oh, I can see a bit of the eyes. They look a little bit like crystals. Wow!
Oh. Exciting times, guys. The beak is coming through. And this, it looks like the egg is getting cracked in a full circle. So Tiana will be able to help it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what you have to do. You have to help your Hatchimals out.
Come on, Hatchimals.
Look, as you can see. Oh.
Hey, you might be able to...
Oh,
It
wow.
looks like you could just pull it off a little bit.
He sounds happy. Oh, here we go, look. I'll let you, Tiana. I'll let you do the honours.
Ah!
Tiana, I think you can help him out now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you can try and lift the top of the shell a little bit and see if we can get to see.
I'll just
Yeah.
lift a little bit.
Yeah, I think he's okay to come out. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh. Oh, that is so cute! It's
Oh.
still pecking out. Oh, that is just so cute.
Look at the surprise, Hatchimals.
It's still pecking when there isn't even a shell.
Oh, that is just amazing. Okay, so now you have to get him out.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, look at the eye colours, blue. So cute. Oh. Music.
So now I think I can just
Yeah, I think you'll be able to help him out now.
pull him out.
Yeah.
You might have to help a little bit.
Let's have a go.
A little bit hard.
Oh!
Look, there's like plastic, so
Yeah.
take that off.
Do you need any scissors for that?
Might do.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like a little tear here.
Let's get him out. A little tear. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
At the front.
A little bit.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it's Tiana.
Really
Cute.
Oh.
Oh wow. Yeah, because the wings are like
Yeah. I think it
wrapped in the
moves.
salad in the
It
seal.
moves the egg.
Oh, there we
The
go.
wings. It was just like moving about.
Oh, there you go, Tiana. So, welcome to the world. To the HATCHIMALS.
Yay! I can see wheels at the bottom, so maybe it can like move around.
Well, you can play games as well, can't it? So,
Yeah. Let's hope it might walk around and stuff.
yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They do walk.
Look! There's like a button on its belly.
So that's what makes it. Oh, there you go.
Yay!
Oh.
Aww. So cute. Aww. Oh, going backwards. It's got a little
Wow.
tail at the back as well, look. It's making like baby noises because it's only a baby.
Hello.
Hello. It's like actually like a real bird a little bit, isn't it? So it's
Well, there you go,
moving around.
Tiana. There's your pet HATCHIMALS.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's like spinning around, spinning around. Oh. I'm still.
Come into the camera, look.
Ah, that's perfect. That is. It's so cute. I really like it when it like the eyes change colour and the wings move up and down. I think it's really cute.
Yeah.
It's got like hair at the top and then this
It's like a
tail.
Mohican, isn't it? Look.
Yeah. Turn it around and see the little tail.
Okay, do the tail.
It's tiny. So guys, my Hatchimal is a penguin, and thank you so much, Spin Master, for sending me it. I've had so much fun trying to help it get out of the egg, and I think it is super cute. Just look at it. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon.